she didn't want me, bitch, I remember. I'm back and I'm better, back and I'm better. Me, my niggas put in effort, we need that treasure. Getting money is my pleasure, want it forever. When I was broke, she didn't want me, bitch, I remember. I'm never under pressure, I'm down to do whatever. Pussy nigga got a problem, we can meet wherever. I don't trust too many niggas, they change like the weather. Me and my niggas real tight, man, we stick together. This bond can be broken, it is forever. I was taught to run it up, man, I need that cheddar. VIP in the club, we standing on the leather. Trying to use me for my money, oh no, never. I'm really fly, you can't touch these feathers. I put shawty on the bed, then I took off her sweater. Put her panties on the ground and made her pussy wetter. She says that I'm different, she like me better. My shawty hold it down, she don't fuck with no clown. Pretty face, nice smile, and her skin is brown. I love it when she twerking, booty bouncing up and down. We was making sound at Atlanta World Compound. Zach said he's back now, he can brag now. I ain't never had shit, so I act the ass now. I smile through my struggle, I ain't never shown a frown. I'm a king, I deserve a crown. We young niggas that run the town. Yeah, get that money, we get that money and them honeys. If you ain't got no money, nothing funny. Get that money, don't ever be no bummy. Yeah. We got a bag now, we can brag now. I got your bitch now, I can brag now. I got your hoe now, I can brag now. Yeah.
It will change eventually. Please don't hate on me, please don't envy me. Honestly, I don't wish death for my enemy. I ran it up, now I see jealousy. Even if you broke, it will change eventually.
Mama ain't gotta work no more, I gotta chase these commas. You ain't gotta cook, mama, we eating that Benihana. Get paid, take care of mama, you can keep the drama. I don't sleep on the money, I don't rock pajamas. I'm a terrorist with my swag, I be rocking bombers. I was wild as a kid, right now my little comma. I never wanted to be a cop, I used to choose the robber. I got a crush on a celebrity, her name is Kiki Palmer. I was meant to chase these dollars, I can't be no scholar. Correct me like a referee, feel free to disagree. We take it.